AT&T calls not going through. The issue usually lies in one of three areas: the network, your SIM card, or your phone itself. Cellular calls need a solid connection between your device, SIM, and AT&T's towers. Network problems are a major cause of failed AT&T calls. These include weak signals, especially in rural areas, congestion during peak hours, and outages from maintenance or cyber attacks. Coverage issues stem from weak signals in rural areas where AT&T's network may not reach as effectively. The coverage map shows varying signal strength across the U.S., with rural regions often having spotty connectivity. Congestion happens when too many users access the network simultaneously, like during peak hours in urban areas. This overloads cell towers and causes call failures. Recent 5G upgrades have helped reduce latency, but congestion persists in busy zones. Outages can result from scheduled maintenance on towers or unexpected events like cyber attacks. For example, recent incidents in 2025 affected routers and caused widespread call failures. These are usually temporary, with AT&T working to restore service quickly. Despite improvements, network issues still occur. Check AT&T's app for real-time outage notifications and proactive monitoring to stay informed. SIM card problems are a common cause of call failures on AT&T. These issues often involve corruption from software glitches, misalignment in the phone's slot, or eSIM activation errors in newer devices. For physical SIM cards, start by powering off your phone. Use the SIM eject tool to remove the tray, take out the SIM card, clean it gently with a soft cloth if needed, then reinsert it firmly. This resolves most misalignment issues. For eSIM devices, go to Settings and rescan for available networks, or contact AT&T to reactivate your eSIM profile. This fixes activation glitches common in iPhone 16 series and Android devices. If you see SIM not valid errors, visit AT&T's website or app to use their SIM unlock tool. It checks your account and provides unlock codes for carrier-locked devices. Inspect your SIM for scratches or bends. If damaged, contact AT&T for a replacement SIM. Avoid DIY repairs as they can worsen connectivity problems. For dual SIM phones, ensure the primary SIM is in the correct slot. Use the eject tool carefully to avoid bending the SIM or damaging the tray mechanism. Software glitches on your phone can also cause call failures. Enable VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling in your settings. Resetting your network settings or updating your phone's OS can resolve common problems. VoLTE allows you to make calls over 4G LTE networks for clearer voice quality. Check your phone settings to ensure it's enabled. Wi-Fi calling lets you make calls using Wi-Fi when cellular signal is weak. Enable it in your cellular settings. Resetting network settings can fix connectivity issues without losing data. Find this option in your general settings. Installing the latest OS updates fixes software bugs that cause call failures. Check for updates regularly. Before diving deep, try these quick fixes. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Restart your device to clear temporary glitches. These simple steps often resolve the problem. For persistent issues, use the diagnostic tools within AT&T's support app. These tests can help identify specific problems with your connection. Contact AT&T customer service if you need further assistance, especially for signal boosters or more complex issues. Real-world outages show how basic troubleshooting can resolve major call issues. In June 2025, a Florida heat wave caused tower overheating, dropping 2 million calls. Users successfully fixed problems with simple network resets and SIM receipts. eSIM activation glitches are another common issue after iPhone upgrades. These problems often resolve with network settings resets, proving that basic fixes work for many call failures. Looking ahead, AI-driven diagnostics are becoming more prevalent, automating fixes through AT&T's app by predicting outages and suggesting solutions. The future brings 6G technology, promising near-zero latency calls that will dramatically improve call reliability. However, challenges like spectrum auctions and environmental factors may delay implementation. Ultimately, user education on proactive maintenance remains essential for reliable calls today.